Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to download SoundCloud on mobile. Let's get started. First, open your App Store. If you're on Android, tap the Google Play Store. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. If you're using an iPhone, just tap the App Store. It's the blue icon with the white A. Next, head to the search bar, tap it and type in SoundCloud, then hit search. You'll see the official SoundCloud app show up in the results. On Android, tap Install. On iPhone, tap Get. You might be asked to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. Once it's downloaded, the button will change to Open. Go ahead and tap that to launch the app. From here, you can sign in with your existing account or create a new one and dive into your favourite tracks right away. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded SoundCloud to your phone. If this guide helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching.